Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Sleep Number account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in sleepnumber.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Sleep Number. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply click on the account icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find two options over here, sign in, sign up. If you do not have the account yet, simply click on the option sign up and you'll be able to sign up for your account. But if you already have the account and if you want to sign in to your account, simply click on this option, sign in. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in interface. All you have to do is enter your email and password and you'll be able to sign in to your account. Click on the field of email. Now enter the email over here. Now click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forgot your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the email and password, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Sleep Number account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.